Alright, having the same problem. Here's what I'm gonna show you what I get changed so far. The lockup solenoid, the map sensor, the idle control sensor, the knock sensor's back underneath and there's somewhere. Ow, it's hot. Change that. Had to get a new relay. Man, I'm tired of fucking fixing this car. I need some ideas, really need some ideas. I keep on hearing it's a vacuum leak, but I need to see where. Here's an idea of what it's doing. Really want to figure out what this is here. I doubt this is supposed to be here. It's like a hose. It looks like a vacuum line, but I'm not 100% sure. They put a bolt in it. It's squealing from the belt. It just stays idle and high. Now it just starts teeter-tottering. Oh. That's my issue. But like I said, map sensors changed, the idle controls changed, the lockup solenoid, I don't know what else it changed. So it has to be a vacuum leak, but I don't know what chose. So if you guys can help me out, baseheads.